Okay, so, oh wait, I can't see. As you can see, my hair is pretty dry. I'm using a spray bottle to get my hair damp so that I can detangle it. Cutting it in smaller sections, and I'm using my wide tooth comb and detangling from tip to roots. I'm twisting that section out of the way, and when I'm finished with that section, I'm going to use my rat tail comb and I'm parting it in smaller sections so that it can be easier to cut. I'm using my pick to further detangle it, and I'm using a scissors to just clip off like an inch or inch and a half. Now on to the next section. I'm lining it up with the first section so that it can be even or fairly even, and just cutting it straight across. And that is what it looks like so far. That's how much hair I cut off so far. In the back, I feel for any unevenness and then I cut it. So this is what it's looking like, freshly washed with just conditioner in it. Close up. So now I'm going to add Adore. I really don't like the color that it has, so I'm just adding a little bit of color to it. I'm covering it with a plastic cap and leaving it for about 30 to 45 minutes. Now my hair is freshly washed and there's no clots product in it. I'm adding Shea Butter up and through my hair, all throughout, to seal in the moisture. So now I'm using Cantu Shea Butter, and ask me why I'm turning it away there. Anyway, you can use whichever oil you want to seal in the moisture and whichever leave-in conditioner you feel comfortable using. Now I'm using Eco Styler Gel, but you can use whichever styler you want. First, I'm applying that much to the tips of my hair. Then I'm applying it to the sides. The circular motion helps to form coils wherever your hair is short, and the sides of my hair are very, very, very short. I'm parting small sections and adding like a dime size amount to each section. If you have a tighter curl pattern, the smaller you want to part your sections. Next, I'm using the gel to slip down my edges. You can use a brush or a toothbrush, but I prefer not to. If your hair is really, really short, you can skip this step. So I'm shaking it to how I want it and doing finger coils on the sections that I want to have more curl. That's the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe for more videos and feel free to leave your requests. I'll be glad to do them.